Hi, I'm Richard Ashworth. This is by way of an infomercial to let you know that I'm putting on a workshop via Zoom on the weekend of the 29th and 30th of April. The early bird runs out on the 31st of March. What we'll be talking about is how to choose a day carefully, how to tailor it to the purpose and to the person, and how to have some idea of what's liable to turn out in advance. So I'll be talking about the stems and branches, obviously, this year being a water rabbit, stem water, branch rabbit. I'll be talking about the 12 daily offices and how to calculate them. I'll be talking about the 28 lunar mansions and how to calculate them. And I'll be talking about Zhuang Gong Dagua. That may sound complex, but frankly, if you know a little bit about stems and branches, you know quite enough to get started. But as I say, the early bird runs out on the 31st of March. And we have timed it compassionately to make it convenient for most time zones. So I do hope, beg pardon?
Via Zoom.
That's via Zoom. I hope we'll see you. Bye bye.